welcome to JD's garage, bro. We're gonna do a fatty on this one. It's like my third time dropping a subframe on E46, so I'm like half prepared. I think that's everything I need. So yeah, I'm not gonna film any of this. Drop a subframe, get the diff out, weld the diff, get the bushings in, get the thing back together. Welded diff. I need springs for the back, put a hydro in, wire the fan, put a steering wheel in it, and that's it. The car is done. Oh, I want to paint it. And then that's it, the car is done. There's the subframe out and the arms, whole thing in one piece. So yeah, I'm gonna take this out, take those out, get that welded. Might paint this while it's out. Don't really see a point to, but why the fuck not? And yeah, put it all back together, and fucking finally this thing will spin two wheels at the same time. I don't know, I left it upside down for like 10 minutes, so maybe all the oil came off.
Maybe just small bit spray with something on the fucking gears.
Yeah.
So you can weld it.
I don't know, I have a shit welder and people say it needs to be super hot. Like really hot. So it needs to melt it with the heat, I think.
Maybe, yeah.
Fuck man, look how... See the cups? They come all the way in. So if you put the plate, like, you're kind of fucked. I think what I'm going to do is weld here, 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 and then I'm going to weld this.
To the case.
Yeah. But people said that this is like cast, so you can crack when it's cooling.
Yeah, or that, or won't even catch it. But yeah, if you just weld it here to the gears.
Yeah, but I did
some
that
plate.
in snaps, like.
Need plate, definitely. And just go all around. One break.
I did that, it didn't work.
Really? It's just because welder.
No, don't talk shit about my work.
She need gas.
Yeah.
I think that's why. Fuck.
It was funny, but...
You need... Actually, you can, but take this wrap around the fucking bolt. Oh, that's gonna work.
I need to take this and just throw it to the ditch. I don't even know which is the most or the lowest. Maximum. So, I'm being killed by midges. But, it's good. Definitely good. Oh man, look at all this shit.
Best you'll ever get.
Yeah.
Best.
Oh my god. Should I even put that in the video, man?
Definitely. It's good, like beginners.
Beginners,
They can learn how to do it.
Don't do this. Take the diff to somebody with a decent welder and pay them. Look at that. We were just setting the backlash a little bit.
They won't break, that's good.
Man, they wouldn't break on the other diff. I don't know, the Lexus diff, I want to pay someone to weld it, man.
I think it's a good idea. It's not that bad, just need good welder actually.
Yeah, put some oil in this. Fucking send it back together. Put the diff back in this fucking subframe. Finally, do these fucking bushings. I'm gonna put the shafts and the thing all back together in one piece. Jack it up, 4 bolts, prop shafts, 2 things. There. The finest of the finest for the finest of the shit. Look at that. Butter. So these things take about 1 liter. Oh yeah, baby. It's actually nice and thick. So that's the subframe back in. Everything's tight, everything's ready. Brakes are bled. Time to give her a send. This is a mistake. And the jack's under the car. Welcome to JD's garage, bro. We're gonna do a fatty on this one. This is fucked. I'm gonna fuck this up. This is fucked.